Hello there, I am Tessa and I'm from Wisva Lighting. I believe you opened this video to know more about our company, but sadly because of the pandemic, many of you can't come to China to see the lighting fairs and to see a face-to-face introduction. So today I'm going to walk you through an introduction to our company to show you our professionalism, our credibility, and our potential. So in this video, I'm going to divide it into 4 parts. So first, the about us. I'm going to show you just some general information about our company. And the second part, the sales, I'm going to show you how well our company is doing and which countries are we selling to. And the third, our products, I'm going to show you which products are we selling to, our product range, and especially our popular products. And last but not least, I'm going to show you our advantages and why you should choose our company. Wisva is one of the top-ranking firms in the lighting industry and has completed sales across borders to over 100 countries. The main founder of our company, Mr. Qing, is also the current president and one of the engineers of the company. He's very proficient of 16 years of experience in the lighting industry on the application of LED craftsmanship, research, and supervising quality control. Mr. Qing founded our company back in 2009, and we have over 300 employees up till now, and 12,000 square meters of occupied area, including the offices, the factories, and the warehouse. And our base now is in Huizhou. Our company structure is also worth knowing. As you can see in this chart, the offices are divided into 5 departments. And under each department, there are different teams sharing different jobs with specific tasks. For example, the sales team, we have different teams taking care of the international sales and domestic sales. And we also have our own engineering team, production team, and QC team to check our quality, and as well as the after service. Another part to show our professionalism is our factories and products are authorized by international institutions with many credentials. And here are some of the main certificates that Wisva has. So most of our products have passed CE, UL, RoHS. And for our factories, we own BSCI, ISO, IATF, and UL as well. If it wasn't the pandemic, you should see us in exhibitions and lighting fairs around the world, such as the exhibitions in Poland, US Chicago, US Los Angeles, Germany, and Spain. Hopefully, the pandemic can be over next year and you can see us in lighting fairs. After getting to know some of the general information about our company, let's take a look at our sales. To better show you how we were doing and the sales we have achieved, we have made a line chart. Our revenue has been gradually growing each year for the past decade and has achieved $16 million even under the influence of the pandemic. And as you can see, from 2017 to 2018, our revenue growth was less drastic compared to other years. This is because we were shifting our whole base to another city, including moving our factories and offices. Therefore, we invest much time to recruiting and readjusting our facilities. 60% of our selling destination is to Europe. North America and Asia each share around 20% of our market. This does not mean that we are not doing well in the North American and Asian market, but because Europeans were the first to come up with the concept of linear lighting and led the trend of using LED strip lighting. So we started up doing a lot of business with our European customers before LED was popular in other regions. Here is a more specific chart of where we were selling to. Some of our famous public projects in China that we have directly supplied to are Shenzhen Metro, Kunming Airport. After learning how well our company is doing by looking at our sales and our market share, we are moving towards our products. The most popular products of our company is the COB products and 2835 of LED. So COB is a new product that first appeared in 2019, is newer compared to LED, and as one of the earliest companies to produce COB products, I proudly introduce you the technology of COB products. So COB is the abbreviation of chip-on-board technology that is directly combining lighting chips on PCB board without LED packaging and then covering the chips with phosphor glue over top. And besides that, COB uses flip chip instead of regular lighting chip. Therefore, COB is able to produce dotless lights and is the best linear lighting solution to produce continuous light source without visible gap. 2830 is the best seller in our LED series. It's very mature in this industry and can be considered as a substitute of 3528. And it is better than 3528 in terms of lighting efficiency, heat dissipation, and even better price. 5050 is the earlier model that is stable, and the LED size is big enough for 3 chips, doing perfect for RGB. Moving back to COB products, it's a new product that we are focusing on. After 2 years of development, it is already mature and can cover 24, 12, and 5 volts in voltages. And also the mini cup of COB is able to achieve 7.58 millimeters. Our R&D department spent years on pursuing new perimeter extremes of our products to be longer, smaller, and more consistent. Our current maximum running length is 100 meters, and each meter can fit maximum 960 LEDs. And to satisfy the need of high precision on the CRI and color temperature, we can achieve 1.5 bin of macadam steps and plus or minus 50K of error ratio and 97 RA value. Besides, in response to ERP standard, we improve our efficiency to 180 lumen per watt, and our minimum length is 7.58 millimeter per cut and 3 millimeter of PCB width in minimum, and we will continue to refresh these standards. After getting to know our products, we are moving forward to the last part and the most important part of this video, which is the advantages of Wisva. So I'm going to show you how we differ from our competitors and how we survived in this industry. Above all the review of our past performances and current standings, here are the aspects that we have been valuing and will continue to improve in the future. We will try to be as strict as possible on our quality control, develop more products to the goal of 800 plus product types. And besides owning multiple audits, our laboratory is in the process of being verified by UL to issue our own UL audit on the products. So that's all this video is covering. For more information, you're always welcome to visit our website, or you can see other videos we have uploaded. And thank you so much for your attention, and enjoy the rest of your day.